Hello students, in this video lecture we are going to see Taylor's and Lorentz series. So first of all we see expansion of a complex function f of z as Taylor series. We are provided a complex function, then how to expand that function by using Taylor series. So that will we are going to see here. So let us write the statement of the Taylor series. So if f of z is analytic function inside a circle C with center z0, then for all z inside C, f of z can be expanded as f of z equal to f of z is equal to f of z0 plus z minus z0 into f dash of z0. F dash of z0 denotes first derivative of function f at z is equal to z0 plus z minus z0 bracket square divided by 2 factorial into double derivative of the function f at z0 plus z minus z0 bracket cube divided by 3 factorial into third derivative of f at z0 plus and so on infinity. So let me call this as equation number 1. The series is convergent. Oh, so let me write here the series 1 is convergent. Convergent means sum of the series is finite number at every point inside C, inside the closed curve C. It is known as Taylor's series. Now let's see some remarks. Number 1. What happens when we put z is equal to z0 plus h in the equation 1? Let me write here. If we put z equal to z0 plus h in 1, then what will happen? So let us see LHS. Okay, by observing equation number 1, in LHS instead of writing f of z, we should write here f of z0 plus h and is equal to, now see here, this is f of z0 plus, so as z is equal to z0 plus h, then this will gives us z minus z0 equal to h, so that will be h into f dash of z0 plus h square divided by 2 factorial into f double dash at z0 plus and so on. And the second remark, if we put z0 equal to 0 in 1, then what will happen? Then f of z equal to, LHS is as it is, f of z is equal to f of 0 plus z into f dash 0 plus z square divided by 2 factorial into f double dash at 0 plus z cube divided by 3 factorial into f triple dash at 0 plus and so on infinity. So this equation is called as, equation 2 is called as Maclaurin's series. Now we see expansion of complex function f of z as Lorentz series. So statement of this Lorentz series is, if C1 and C2 are two concentric circles of radii R1 and R2 with centers with center Z0, and if f of z is analytic on C1 and C2, that means analytic on the boundary of C1, that is first circle and or the outer circle, and the lower circle C2, and in the annular region R between the two circles, then for any point Z in R, we can expand our function f of z as f of z equal to summation n equal to 0 to infinity an bracket z minus z naught raised to n plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity bn into z minus z naught raised z naught bracket raised to minus n. Suppose this is the equation number 1, where an equal to 1 upon 2 pi I into contour integral over C1, that is first circle, f of omega divided by omega minus z naught raised to n plus 1 is equation number 2, and dn equal to 1 upon 2 pi I contour integral over C2 f of omega divided by omega minus z naught raised to minus n plus 1 d omega. This is the third equation. So f of z is expanded by using Lorentz series as summation n equal to 0 to infinity an into z minus z naught raised to n plus summation n is equal to 1 to infinity bn into z minus z naught raised to minus n. That is the main series, where the first constant an equal to 1 upon 2 pi I into contour integral over the curve C1 f of omega divided by omega minus z naught raised to n plus 1. This is because of Cauchy's integral formula, and the bn is nothing but 1 upon 2 pi I integral over C2 contour integral over C2 f of omega divided by omega minus z naught raised to minus n plus 1 d omega.